Go get her.
It's right over there.
Go chase her.
Come over here, you chicken head. I almost had it. Come back here, you. Here. What is wrong with this chicken?
Nothing's wrong with her. She's acting perfectly normal. She's a chicken. That's why she's called a chicken. She's scared.
Huh?
She's acting like chickens do.
She's acting like the chicken is her mother.
Boy, you better be careful. She's going under the same thing. Oh my God, Jaden, be careful with her.
I got it.
Okay, suéltala, dame.
Cute.
Cute.